Humans might have superheroes in movies, but the animal kingdom is full of real-life creatures with powers that seem straight out of science fiction. From immortality to invisibility, these animals defy the laws of nature. So, get ready to be amazed, because today we're counting down 10 animals with supernatural powers. Let's dive in. First up, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature, no bigger than your fingernail, has the ability to reverse its aging process. When injured, stressed, or even just old, it can transform its cells back into their earliest form and start its life cycle all over again. Essentially, it can live forever. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation, and it's like hitting the reset button on life. In labs, researchers have observed these jellyfish reverting to their juvenile form multiple times, making them biologically immortal. While they can still die from disease or predators, they don't age in the traditional sense. Imagine being able to live forever. This jellyfish is the closest thing to immortality in the animal kingdom. Scientists are studying it to unlock the secrets of aging and potentially apply it to human medicine. How cool is that? Next, meet the electric eel, a living battery. This fish, found in the Amazon River, can generate up to 600 volts of electricity, enough to stun prey, defend itself, and even navigate murky waters. It uses specialized cells called electrocytes to create these powerful shocks. In one study, scientists discovered that electric eels can leap out of the water to deliver a shock to predators or threats above the surface. They're like underwater tasers. Think twice before messing with this shocking superhero of the Amazon. It's not just a fish, it's a living power plant. Say hello to the axolotl, a salamander that can regrow almost any part of its body, including its heart, brain, and spinal cord. If an axolotl loses a limb, it can grow a perfect replacement in just a few weeks. Scientists are studying its regenerative abilities to help humans recover from injuries and diseases. In labs, axolotls have been observed regrowing entire limbs, complete with bones, muscles, and nerves. They can even repair damaged organs without scarring. Move over, Wolverine. This little guy is the real regeneration champion. Imagine if humans could do that. Don't let its colorful appearance fool you. The mantis shrimp packs a punch faster than a bullet. Its club-like appendages can strike with the speed of a .22 caliber bullet, creating shockwaves that stun or kill its prey. The force is so strong it can break glass aquarium walls. Scientists have studied the mantis shrimp's punch to develop stronger materials for body armor and spacecraft. Its claws are made of a unique structure that absorbs impact without breaking. This shrimp is like the Hulk of the ocean, small but mighty. One punch and it's game over. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature can survive in the most extreme conditions: boiling temperatures, freezing cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. It enters a state called cryptobiosis, where it essentially shuts down its metabolism until conditions improve. In one experiment, tardigrades were exposed to space for 10 days, and they survived. They've also been revived after being frozen for over 30 years. If there's an apocalypse, the tardigrade will definitely outlive us all. It's the ultimate survivor. The chameleon is the ultimate spy of the animal kingdom. It can change its skin color to blend into its surroundings, communicate with other chameleons, or regulate its body temperature. Its skin contains special cells called chromatophores that expand or contract to create different colors. Researchers have found that chameleons can change color in just a few seconds, and some species can even display multiple colors at once. Who needs invisibility cloaks when you've got chameleon skills? It's like having a built-in camouflage suit. The Archerfish has a superpower straight out of an action movie. It can shoot down prey with a precise jet of water. It calculates the angle and force needed to knock insects off leaves, even accounting for light refraction in the water. In one study, Archerfish were trained to hit moving targets with incredible accuracy. And get this, they can even recognize human faces. These fish are not just skilled hunters, they're also quick learners. Call it the James Bond of the fish world. This fish is a sharpshooter with a built-in water gun. Meet the lyrebird, nature's ultimate sound machine. This Australian bird can mimic almost anything: chainsaws, camera shutters, other animals. even human voices. It's like having a DJ in the forest. In one famous case, a lyrebird mimicked construction sounds so perfectly, workers thought it was real. They used these skills to attract mates and defend their territory. Imagine walking through the woods and hearing a car alarm, only to realize it's a bird showing off. The lyrebird is proof that nature's artists come in all shapes and sizes. Meet the bombardier beetle, a tiny insect with the explosive secret. When threatened, this beetle mixes two chemicals inside its body, creating a boiling, toxic spray that it shoots from its abdomen with pinpoint accuracy. The reaction is so intense, it sounds like a tiny gunshot, and can reach temperatures of nearly 100 degrees Celsius. Scientists have studied this beetle's chemical defense system to develop new technologies, like fire extinguishers that work in zero gravity and more efficient fuel injection systems. Talk about having a fiery temper. This beetle is like a living flamethrower. Last but not least, the platypus, a creature so bizarre it seems like it was stitched together from different animals. It has a duck's bill, a beaver's tail, and it lays eggs, but it's also a mammal. Oh, and male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. Researchers have discovered that the platypus uses electroreception to hunt underwater, detecting the electric fields created by its prey's muscles. Is it a bird? Is it a reptile? No, it's the platypus, nature's ultimate mashup. It's like evolution couldn't decide what to make, so it made everything. So, what do you think? Which of these animals with supernatural powers amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more wild and wonderful animal facts. Until next time, stay curious.